Good morning class. I am Premlata, HOD Social Science. Today we will start 9th class history chapter 2nd, the socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution. Before starting the topic, we will discuss about previous videos. In the first and second video we have discussed about the Europe continent, the famous country of Europe, France and Russia. So, in this chapter we are discussing about the Tsar Nicholas II, the density of that time period. The title were used by the ruler was Tsar. Nicholas II was the ruler at that time. So people were not happy because of the society were divided into different groups like the France country. Here in today's topic we will be discuss the February Revolution in Petrograd. So let me start the topic. Socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution. Due to the Russian Revolution, what were the impacts of that on the history of Russia we are discussing here. So socialism established after that revolution. Before the revolution, monarchy system was there. How it was formed? We are discussing the objective of today's topic, the Feb Revolution in Petrograd. So, here we will discuss about an important river that was named Neva. On the right side of the bank of river, the common people were settled. On the left side of the river, the officers and the nobles person were settled there. So, those persons who were officers or we can say the nobles person, they were like living better life, but the workers who were settled on the right bank of the river were facing problem. So due to the First World War, there was lack of food items in the country, so people were fighting for the piece of bread. They were marched from the right bank of river to the left bank of river where the officials were living and attacked on them. On 22nd Feb, that revolution was started on 22nd Feb. After 2 or 3 days later, on 25 Feb, what happened? You all know that Duma was the political body at that time. So, Duma was suspended on 25 Feb 1917. After 1 or 2 days later, these activities are going on. On 27 Feb, slogans about bread, fair wages, better working hours and democracy. What is the means of that? Slogans about the poor people, the peasants and the other workers, they were demanding for 4 things. First one is piece of bread because they were hungry. There was lack of food items. Then wages, they were demanding for less working hours and fair wages. Next one is democracy. Now they are not in favor of the monarchy system. They want to establish the elected government. Next one is the after Feb Revolution. What happened? After Feb Revolution. Feb Revolution, Lenin was a famous leader of Bolshevik party. He came back to Russia in April 1917 and they demand 3 things. That is known as April thesis. 3 demands were there. First one was at that time the First World War was going on and most of the soldiers were defeated and died in this war by the German soldiers. So first demand by Lenin was to end the war. Second demand was to change the name of the Bolshevik party. And next one is to fulfill the demand of the people, poor persons. Next one is the October Revolution. Firstly, in Feb Revolution, first revolution took place. What happened? and why there was need to another revolution within 6, 7 or 8 months? There was hardly gap of 7-8 months. Again the revolution took place in that particular country. What was the main reason of that? Here we are discussing. So, after the Feb revolution, the conservative party became more powerful. We can say the Kerensky became the Prime Minister of Russia. So Lenin was afraid that he will become the despotic. So in the guide of the Lenin, who was a leader of the Bolshevik party, after Feb revolution, the Bolshevik party leader Kerensky became the Prime Minister of the provisional government. So now the power is in hand of the provisional government and Kerensky was the Prime Minister. Next topic we will discuss the Revolution of October 1917. So in this topic we will be discuss conflict between the Menshevik and Bolshevik group. Kerensky was the leader of the Bolshevik group and Lenin was the leader of Bolshevik group. Now Lenin came back to Russia from his exile and he was feared that the provisional government will be despotic and powerful. So he want to change and want to establish the power of Bolshevik party. On 16th October 1917, the Bolshevik party raised voice. We can say the revolution against the Kerensky government, provisional government of Russia. On 24 October, the Prime Minister Kerensky was abolished from his power and the complete power was in hand of the Bolshevik leader Lenin. By the December, so we can say with the passage of time 2-3 months the revolution was going on and by December the Bolsheviks controlled Moscow, Petrograd and nearby areas. So the October revolution was success to replace the Bolshevik power and the Bolshevik became the powerful political party and the complete power was in hand of the Lenin. Now Lenin is leading the nation till his death in 1924. After that, who will play the important role in the history of Russia, we will be discussing the next topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.